What's up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, but make sure you comment, like, and subscribe and turn on the notification. So today I'm getting into some mini twists. I'm gonna show you guys how I do mine, and let's get into it. So 2 days ago I washed my hair. If you guys want a video on my wash day, just let me know. But I washed my hair and I put in some leave-in conditioner by Carol's Daughter, the Perexi Nectar. I used that, put this on my roots and a little bit into my hair. Let it air dry. I also used some of the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Rebel coconut and sweet almond oil for a little bit of shine and less frizz when I do my twists. I also used some hair milk by Carol's Daughter. It kind of faded a little bit so you can't really see, but I used this for it to air dry. And those were the 3 products that I used for my hair to air dry. And now, getting into these twists. Whew. So my hair is air dried and combed out and all that good stuff. I just recently dyed my hair, so I added like a natural black color, so my hair is needs a little extra attention when it comes to the moisture, stuff like that. So not making the parts perfect right now, but I do a middle part. And I do it to about right here, like the middle of my head. Then I take that and I go down to my ear on each side. And I just go ahead and I just put this up. I'm left with the back out, and today I'm gonna use my Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream for intense moisture, coil enhancing moisturizing butter. I usually use curl puddings, but I'm gonna try something different, and let's see how this butter works for me. I'm also gonna use the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. Okay, and then I'm gonna get started. So I don't really care about my parts in the back, but I use the comb, red top comb, to section it off. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that. Parts might not be perfect, but that's all cool. Then I'm gonna go on my Denman brush brush this section out. And this right here, it's about 3 to 4 twists with mini twists. This section. So, let me show y'all. So I just take my finger and part out the section. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with butter. About that much. Actually, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more for my ends. But because this has water, you don't want to use too much. And I just twirl my ends. So now I'm up higher, and what I'm going to do is pay a little bit more attention to my parts. In the back, I didn't do that as much. I just was taking little pieces, you know, just going. And I probably got to do these over. They might be a little bit too big. But I want to focus a little bit on my parting in this one. top. So part it right there. And I'm gonna just comb it out with this. I maybe want to make this 2 parts. And go with my buttercream. And then some of the gel. Then I take this piece, and I want my edges to be slicked up too. When I get to this part, so I put a little bit of product there. You can see that's not even. That on there. Then I want my edges to be brushed in, so I'm gonna take my little toothbrush and do that. Swoop, that's how it burns in. And then just twist it up. When it dries in the morning, I'm gonna show you guys a picture of what it looks like when it's dry. It's completely dry, like the product is not damping anything like that. So when it's completely dry, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it's really dry. So I'm gonna go in. Look at it, that's terrible. So I'm on the last twist right here. Now as I did my front, I just made sure I used a lot of the Jelly Soft Curls by Miss Jessie to actually brush up my edges and brush down the, my roots or whatever, just so it won't be as puffy. And I'm just going in with some of the cream. I'm gonna do some jelly. What I found though is that this is actually, the cream is actually, the buttercream is actually heavier than the curl pudding. I think I like it heavier. It's just giving me more length. And it feels like my hair is moisturized. So when you get to the front, you want to focus more on your parting. Remember that. And roll this in. Now, some of my ends are not curling until they get dry, like this right here is a little dry, so it curled up a little bit more. That's the only thing with the cream. Like if I used a curly pudding, it probably would have curled right up. But I could just put some flexi rods on it while I lay down tonight. And I'm going to just put my scarf around it. So I'm gonna probably put some of these small flexi rods in my hair at the ends of the ones that won't curl right away. Put that in so by the time I wake up, I'll just be ready to go with this twist style. Boom. And I'm gonna post this little morning pic. Before I go, y'all know I like to give my little shout outs or whatever. So the shirt I have on today is by Byrick London. It's called Brilliant Mindset. I love this shirt. This is, I don't think y'all can see the back, but this is the back of the shirt. And follow his page, follow his brand, cop up. These lashes, these are out of my line, my outer eyelash services, honey. Get you some lashes. This is from my natural line. These are called Wild Ones, and that's my favorite one out of my naturals collection. We're coming out with a thick and fluffy line soon, so stay tuned for that. Follow those IG handles when you finally reached the end. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for tuning in.